In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an LLC in New Jersey in just 5 minutes. You're in the right place if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss guide to getting your business officially registered. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring clarity every step of the way. Let's get started. First, head over to taylorbrands.com. Here, you'll be directed to choose your LLC state. Select New Jersey. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Get Started. Your first task is to register your business name. Enter your desired name. But there's no need to add LLC at this point. Just type it in and hit Try this name. If your chosen name is available, you'll see an approval notice. With that sorted, simply click Next. Now let's talk about the stage of your business. Be honest and select the option that best describes where you are. Whether you're just starting at the initial steps, about to launch, or if your business is already in motion. Next up, your launch timeline. Choose when you plan to get started, ASAP, in a few weeks, a few months, or even later than 3 months. For industry details, start typing in your field, such as marketing. What services do you offer? Here, you'll have the option to choose multiple or single services, like professional services. If it's something unique, you can specify it right there. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Simply answer with yes, no, or if you're not sure yet. Have you considered an annual income goal for your business? Pick an option, less than 80K, more than 80K, or if you haven't decided yet, where will your business operate? Enter your postal code and indicate where you plan to serve customers, online, a physical store, or maybe on the move. At this point, you might want to ensure you have an IN. It's important for tax purposes, and I've got a great tip that can save you money. You'll find a link to the IRS site where you can apply for an IN for free. This move alone can save you $99. Now, let's sort through Taylor Brands plans. They offer a 12-week free coaching program if you opt in. If that's not for you, no worries. Simply decline the offer. Enter your contact information faithfully, as this will be used to keep you in the loop on your LLC status and updates. Once your details are correct, move on by clicking Next. Finally, evaluate if any optional upgrades suit your needs, such as assigning a registered agent for $199 annually or using branding tools for a website and logo design. Consider these thoughtfully in terms of your business requirements. You've now reached the payment overview. The basic cost is only the New Jersey state fee, totaling $128.50, comprising filing and processing fees. Explore additional options, such as bookkeeping services available for 30 days free. Your total due will reflect the choices you've made. When ready, select Continue to Payment and choose your payment method, whether it's PayPal or your card. I hope you found this tutorial useful and informative in starting your LLC journey in New Jersey. If you're ready to proceed, click the link in the description or pin comment below to begin with Taylor Brands. Thanks for tuning in, and all the best with the launch of your LLC in New Jersey.